Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Courtney Renee in my lovely houndstooth robe, as you always see me in. Have to wash this thing like every other day. This is the only robe I have, so no judging me on my robe. I love this robe. It's a little bit after 10 p.m. Friday. I'm just so exhausted. I'm pooped, and like I don't even understand why I'm pooped, because I only actually worked 2.5 full days of work, but I'm just exhausted and I just want to watch TV. I am rewatching Vampire Diaries. I have nothing else to watch, or I can't find anything that I'm interested in watching. I am making a grilled cheese sandwich right now, which right now I'm melting my butter in a pan. And how I do it is I am using two slices of cheese, and for my bread, on one side of my bread I butter it. So when I put it on my pan, as you're going to see in a few minutes, I lay the non-buttering side on the stove. So now my pan is boiling. Not boiling. Now my pan is hot. So now I'm going to add my bread to it. So yeah, I add it like this. And then how I know to flip it. So when this butter on this side melts completely, that's when I know I can flip it over. But yeah, that's how I do it. Let me lower this temperature a little bit. Oh, and then I was in the middle of talking, and then I realized I forgot to hit press record. I need to work on this. I wish like cameras, phones, anything, like when people start talking, it just automatically start recording. Someone needs to invent that. I was having a whole conversation and I just forgot to hit record. But what I was talking about, I was, as I was trying to melt butter on my pan, I saw pieces of like other condiments in my butter. And that's what I hate. I hate when, like, if you're doing like butter and jelly toast or jam toast or whatever you want to put on your bread, and like the residue from other condiments are mixed in. Like if I have a knife and I don't directly like sit in there, I wipe it off, wash it, whatever, and put in. I just feel like, ugh, that's nasty. You put in like wet, dry, or like say if you do peanut butter and jelly, I don't put peanut butter in the fridge. I keep it out. But when you have like a jelly or jam, it needs to be in the refrigerator. So I feel like if you leave jelly residue in the peanut butter and it's out, I'm like mold. It's just, oh, it's not good. So that just irritates me so much. And what I was also talking about is something important that is coming your way soon. I was hoping that it will be around Christmas, but it's not going to start. So hopefully a new year. The goal is for it to the thing I'm talking about to be announced for January 2019. I'm really excited for it. The people that I am collaborating with, they're very excited for it. So I just need to get the pictures sent to me, and then I will announce it to you guys. And then yeah, I just don't want to say too much, because I feel like when I speak things before it actually starts, you know, something's gonna happen. So I'd rather just be very vague about it but excited at the same time, and then if it happens, I give you more information. But if not, you know, oh well. But if not, I'd be really upset. Okay, so back to my bread. So you see how I melt it and you flip it over, and look, it's toasted perfectly. So that's just a good way to time how long you should wait for your bread to be like toasted on one side. And the downside of this, like when you are putting the butter on here, it sticks to it. But yeah, so I flip this over, and I'm actually going to add cheese to the part that's already done. And then now I flipped them, and I'm just doing one side at a time while it's trying to melt the cheese in between. So like I showed you, I use butter. I know some people make their grilled cheese with mayonnaise. It just helps, instead of your bread burning, it'll still make it crispy with not burning your bread. I haven't tried it, but I hear a lot of restaurants that do make grilled cheese sandwiches, they do mayonnaise. Maybe one day I try it, but I just like how I do it myself, you know? You know how, like, why change it if you don't have to? Yeah, that's about it that I'm talking about. Just updates, me making me a delicious grilled cheese sandwich. And how are y'all liking Vlogmas? You know, I'm really trying to keep up, trying to do some awesome things for you guys. You know, it's a little tough. This is kind of a learning lesson for next year's Vlogmas, you know, if I decide to do it. You know, I'm looking at like other YouTubers and how their Vlogmas looks, but at the same time, they're contenders, been around for a very long time, so they know the business. I don't. I'm still like low-key learning because I don't be doing videos like that. Hold on, let me flip this. Yeah, they're contenders. You know, I'm still learning some things, some cool tricks. I don't really have time to be doing these cool introductions. I still have the same introduction for like a year, and I really want to switch it up. Like I want, like for certain content, I want to keep my introduction, but then for others, like if I do like vlogs or if I do certain discussions, I want to do something completely different. But I don't know. I say things, but sometimes I just don't have time and I can't do it, and I might just continue. I'm surprised I added different type of music to my introduction for Christmas. Like I was trying to do Christmas music and it was just not working. And then I went on YouTube and I saw how you can add music to it, but it just did not flow. Like it didn't fade out. Like it just ended abruptly. It was just not flowing, and I was really upset. Let me get this grilled cheese off. Hold on. So this is the final product of my glorious grilled cheese sandwich. Let me show it to you in slow motion to make it even better. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I will see you on the next vlog, and have a good night. Bye.